Hello children, happy Friday, last lesson before the weekend. Today, as you can see, we're going to be subtracting fractions. So we're going to be using subtraction symbol today. Straight into it, let's get an example on the board. So 3/8 subtract 1/8. I'm going to get my 3/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, so there's 3 parts out of the 8, 3/8, and if I subtract 1, I have 2/8 left. Okay, nice easy one to start us off. Next one. And 7/12 subtract 4/12. First of all, get my 7/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7/12. And then I've got to subtract 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 7/12 subtract 4/12. I've got 3/12 left. So 7/12 minus 4/12 is 3/12. Okay, do the next one. This time I think I'll do it with fifths. So let's have 5/5, 1 whole, subtract 2/5. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/5 to start off with. Remember, it's the same as a whole. And then I'm going to subtract 2/5. 1, 2, and I have 3/5 left. 5/5 subtract 2/5 is 3/5. Okay, hopefully you've got the hang of them now. Might want to practice a few for yourself. Now, let's have a look at it in another way. 7/12 subtract something equals 4/12. So, this time I've got to find out how many 12ths were subtracted so that I ended up with 4/12. And in order to do that, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 12ths at the start. And at the end, there's 4 12ths. So how many were taken away? So there's 4 12ths. Let's have a look. So I've got 7 12ths. I've subtracted 3 12ths because I've only got 4 12ths left. So it must have been 3 12ths because when I've got 7 12ths, I subtract 3, it leaves 4 12ths. Another way of doing it is saying, right, at the end, I've got 4 12ths. But at the start, I had 7. I could use the inverse to find out how many need to be added on to make 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I've got to add 3 back on to get 7 12ths. I've got to add 3 12ths on to get 7 12ths, so it must be 3 12ths. So it's up to you. You can subtract or you can add to find the answer. Let's have another go at that. So 4/8 subtract something equals 2/8. So at the start, 2, 3, 4, I had 4/8, but then at the end I had 2/8. At the end I've got 2/8. How many did I have to take away? How many did I have to subtract? Well, I had to subtract 2, didn't I? I had 4. At the end I've got 2. I've taken 2 away. So 4/8 subtract 2/8 is 2/8. If you wanted to do it using the inverse, I've got 2/8, but at the start I had 4/8. Let's add on to get to 4/8 to see how many more I need. 2/8. 3/8, 4 8s. Oh, I need 2 more 8s. Okay, so you can add, you can use the inverse to find out the answer, or you can subtract to find the answer. It's up to you. Let's try one more example, and then I'm going to leave you because you're probably getting bored of me now. Let's do it with 9s. 6 9s subtract something equals 2 9s. And let's use the inverse this time. So in the end I had 2 9s, but at the start I had 6 9s. I'm going to count on to see how many more I need. So 2 9s, 3 9s, 4 9s, 5 9s, 6 9s. I need 4 more 9s. 2 add 4 is 6. 6 subtract 4 is 2. It's just the inverse, it's the opposite. Okay, once again children, if you're having any trouble, just go onto the blog, contact your teacher, or send an email, and I'm sure that someone will help you as soon as we can. Have a great weekend. Take care all of you, bye.